Welcome to Pbtech. I'm Prince, and today I'm going to show you how to actually set up your DSTV. I'm saying DSTV. How to set up your master-combo-decoder. Okay, so if you boot your decoder for the first time, this is what's going to appear on it. No program does not exist, so you have to set it up. If you have already installed any signal, any satellite, and you are having a stable signal, after joining your cable and then owning your decoder for the first time, this one's gonna appear on it. So you have to do the setup, make the settings in the installation for you to get to the signal, and then you scan to get the channels. Okay, so here you press on the menu on your remote, on the master-combo-decoder remote, not the TV remote. Okay, and here you look for installation, any satellite that you need to install or any FTA. You go to menu, look for installation, this settings, satellite settings, or any other thing that this setup that you're gonna see that comes near the installation or satellite as a whole. So it comes to installation and you press OK. So here we have the DVB S2 and then T2. The S2 is for the satellite settings, and then the T2 is for the terrestrial. Alright, and then C is also for the terrestrial installation. Okay, and we have the factory reset over here. So for satellite installation, you move on to S2. So you press OK on your remote. When you come here, you go straight to antenna settings, or you can come to satellite list and then you select your satellite. So antenna settings, and then here you select your satellite. If you are installing multi-TV satellite name is Astra 2A2B 28 degrees east, northeast. Okay, so you look from the list and then you're gonna find that satellite. Maybe you're gonna find, or maybe if you don't find it over there, you can use any satellite depending on the channel that you are tracking for. Okay, so you have here Astra 28 degrees, and that's the multi-TV satellite name. So you pick this satellite and you come to the LMB frequency. The LMB frequency has to be like this. You don't need to change it. Here the die set, you are not doing multiple installations, so the die set have to be off here. And then the TP, you come to the TP list. So with the TP list here, you cannot add. If you don't find a multi-TV TP over here, you cannot add. So you need to go back to the transponder list. Transponder is the TP. So you come to the transponder list and then you add the multi-TV. So here you're going to get some indication over here. This is a command. So this is actually a command. If you press the color that is down here on your remote, the command will pop up for you to go straight to the task. Okay, so you want to add the TP for multi-TV, you need to press on the green button to add. Okay, so you press on the green button to add the multi-TV TP, which is 12525 12525, and the polarity is vertical V, vertical, symbol rate 30,000 3000. Okay, so and then you save it. Okay, so the TP already exists, so you need to go back and then you search for it from the list. So here is it, and then you mark it. Alright, so after marking it, there have to be indication over here. Here there is no strength, meaning I have not inserted my cable, and then there is no quality. So if you are having a stable signal, the strength will show and then the quality will also show. If you have reached this, okay, so here you come here, you know that all the settings are in its position, and then you are still not having a quality signal, meaning either you have not inserted your cable at the back of your decoder really well, or you are not having a stable signal from your satellite dish. So you need to go outside there and then you check your satellite dish to get a stable signal. Alright, so this is how you need to use, this is the strategy you need to use to at least insert every satellite, every TP that you are tracking for, every satellite channel that you are tracking for. If you are tracking for my TV FTA or DSTV FTA or any other FTA channels, that's how you need to. All the time you're gonna find TP, transponderless, satellite, and other settings over there. So this is how we're gonna do it. So after having a stable signal over here, this will tend to be green, and then you go ahead to scan. Okay, so we come to start scanning, start search over here, and then we're gonna choose scan mode preset, and then you press OK to scan. Alright, so if today is your first time watching me, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel and then hit the bell icon. The main motive of this channel is to help you to solve your installation problems. If you don't have any problem in your installation, you subscribe to this channel and then you hit the bell icon. Alright, so if you have any question that you want to ask me, you can actually WhatsApp me on this number. Okay, plus 233-559-60-59733. Okay, so you WhatsApp me here and then you're gonna get a reply. Alright, so if today is your first time watching me, you just have to subscribe. Alright, thanks for watching. Bless up.